Okay, I'm removing the engine on this 97 Passat in order to do a TDI swap, and I figured I'd better run it before I disconnect anything else, so we can, just to have a little bit of verification that the engine sounds good and is not ready to throw a timing chain or something. Because the guy I bought it from said he had just done timing chains and a clutch to it. So here it goes. There goes the jump pack, but a little exhaust leak as I have the manifolds loose, but timing chain's quiet. It's a little lumpy, it needs a set of ignition wires, but otherwise it's in good running condition. Serpentine bell's already off, that's why nothing's spinning. But yeah, ran strong and it was actually pretty fun to drive, but I'm looking forward to having the TDI engine. 1,200 miles to the tank is kind of appealing. But yeah, sounds good.